Hello everyone and welcome to one of our tutorials, this time for the affiliates partners. If you select to become one of our affiliates, actually you become our business partner and you can share up to 25% basic affiliate referral fee for all the sales done through the site. That includes trading agent subscriptions, NFT sales, and of course sales for WA pools, and also for any token sales that are going to happen through the site. So in order to become an affiliate, step A, of course, you have to go and watch this tutorial. You can find it here, other tutorials page. Here it is. And also, if you are new to Web3, you should also watch our MetaMask tutorial and specifically set up your MetaMask account and be able to share your MetaMask account address with us. So let's start with the tutorial for the affiliates section. So step A is to go to support center, of course, and go to a support center page and fill in our contact form. Please share your email, your first name, surname, subject, please write affiliate request, and in your message, please describe to us your business profile, your business network, and how you plan to develop the vFlow services business in your domain and in your private business network. Once we receive your request and we are positive to proceed with you, then we will send you a password in order to be able to proceed with the affiliates registration page. Once you receive the password, you can go to affiliates here and you can click on register. Then you will type in the password that we gave to you in order to unlock access to our affiliates platform. In step 4, you will have to fill in the affiliate request form. Please fill in all your details, phone number, email address, everything that we ask you to share with us, and of course your social media links, which we have already asked you in the email form. Once completed with the form, you will receive an email that you have been approved and with your login details and credentials in order to log into the platform. Now, once you log into the platform, you will be asked by the vFlow services site to verify your email in order to log in. So please go to your inbox, find the email that we sent you, press verify and log in, and then put in your username and password, and you are set. You will land on the Store Affiliates dashboard. In order to do that, once you complete your login, you will not see the dashboard directly. You must go to the main menu and press affiliates here, and you will land on the dashboard. So initially in the dashboard, you're going to see your commission rate, basically 25%. This is a basic. And also you're going to see the balance, the money that you can get paid. And of course, the statistics for today visitors and monthly visitors. And in this section, I must note that all our payments are made in USDT. So you will need a MetaMask with a BEP20 address so we can send you your payments. So in the sales section, you can see all the sales that are made through your links, through your promotion, through your network. All the sales are listed here. And of course, all of your payments are listed here. Once you see that you have an amount available for payment, you can click to apply, request a payment. And of course, as we are mentioning here, please make sure that you send us a USDT BEP20 address. This can be a MetaMask address, or it can be an exchange address. But be sure to provide us with a BEP20 address. If it's another address, it's a TRX20 address or an ERC20 address, please specify this in an email that you will send to us so we can proceed with the payment and send it to the right address. Next step is you go to creatives. Here you will get your basic affiliate link, and you can go to any of our pages, change the page that you want to promote. So in these cases, you can either select to promote the trading engine, variable asset tokens, the non-fungible tokens or the NFT marketplace, you can do that. Paste, please, the link here, click generate referral, and the platform will generate your referral ID link for the specific page. So final step is step 12, where you can edit your profile. So click here, change any information that you may need to change. And of course, may I note that when you request to get paid, if you are a company, we will request an invoice from you. That's it for the affiliates tutorial. Of course, I will include a link in the description, not an affiliate link, the basic link to get this tutorial. So you can prepare your case and send us an email. We'll be more than happy to work with people that love the project and would like to make money by helping us grow and deliver value to any of your friends or business network that you may have. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.